Can't wait to show you this gorgeous 3-bedroom in a popular Panama City Beach neighborhood of Whisper Dunes. Community pool, and you cannot miss out on checking out this house. Beautiful renovations, very nicely done, and plenty of room for your beach toys in the garage. You are going to love the yard at this home. Nicely manicured. In fact, that's included with your HOA fees here. And it's got a fenced-in backyard with your own cozy, screened-in porch to enjoy that morning cup of coffee. Welcome to your beach retreat over here in Whisper Dunes. I love the coastal feel of this home. It's been renovated, LVT through the main areas, coastal chic vibe. You've got extra little touches, beams on the ceilings, designer fans and pendant lights. The owner put a lot of extra care and resources to renovating this home. Open concept into a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, plenty of cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. You are going to love it. I'm over here in the primary suite over at Blue Sage. We've got, again, that coastal vibe, sun flooding in from the backyard, tray ceilings, extra touches, and you've got a gorgeous bathroom. And ladies, you're going to love the backlit mirror. For more information on any of these great Panama City Beach properties, make sure you click on the links below. You'll find more details, including more photos and who to contact if you want to know more. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com, so you don't miss out on any future deals like these.